Here I'm going to be opening up Sow and Garden Seed Bonsai Kit to get started on growing your bonsai trees. Comes with a scratch off coupon and your manual you have to read carefully, and it comes with the plant markers and 4 pots that they're going to be growing in. And eventually when they get 2 to 3 months, you can change into a bigger pot or let them grow in here. It's up to you. But they're really useful for your next potting and gardening. And here are the peat discs you're going to be activating with hot water, but not directly on top of the disc, but on the side. The soil is going to absorb the water and it's going to rise for about 5 minutes, and you'll see when it's ready to be put in the pots. And here are the seeds to give you 4 packages, and this one is going to be called the Ficus religiosa. Yes. And this one is the Pinus arista. And if I were you, you should look up each plant. This one is called the jacaranda mimosifoli, and this one's called the picea miranda. And here are the plant markers. Make sure to put the date, month, and so you can keep track. Right here, I put the seeds in hot water for 23 hours, and the ones that are going to work are the ones that are going to be floating. The ones that you're not going to be using are the ones that are going to be on the bottom. So make sure to get the top ones, not the bottom ones, the top ones. Okay, I got my disc ready and my hot water, and what I did here is I poured it on top, which you're not supposed to, but I just did. And you'll see here it's going to be rising, absorbing all the water into the soil. Let it rise for at least 5 minutes. And I have this here planted, and here for about 2 weeks they're going to be growing. They grow pretty fast for about 2 weeks. And here the jacaranda is my favorite one. About 2 months it grew.